Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to install WordPress website on Godaddy Cpanel hosting. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Godaddy account and you might end up on your dashboard. On the left side of the menu, we have so many options, but what we are going to do, click on the top right corner over here and you will find hosting and WordPress. Click on this option. Once you see your domain and server name, go to the right in actions, click on this and you will find cpanel admin. Click on this or you can even open in a new link tab. Once you open up, it will seem something like this, and here at the top you will be recommended by cpanel itself that you can use WordPress. So you can click on this one and also this one. So I'm going with this one. Once you click on that, you will end up over here. Click on install this application, and after that the process is very easy. If you have multiple domain on your Godaddy, make sure to select that from over here. Right now I had only once, so that's why it's showing up automatically. We have directory. If you want to create a subfolder, you can also do that from over here, and once you name it, you will see the changing also over here. After that, we have versions over here, and in my belief that leave it as it is, don't change anything. After that, which is going to be our last step, is to change the administrator username and the password. Make sure to change the password, email and username also, and save it somewhere. So this is the login details which you will use for WordPress. After that, at the bottom you will find install, and once you click on install, it will be installed through cpanel. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to install WordPress website on Godaddy Cpanel hosting. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.